Hi, what's up mga karonda? For today's video, we're gonna go and watch UAE final stage tour for today. Let's go! Hi, what's up mga karonda? This is Gaye, Paris, ang CYCLIST ng Philippines, ang pag-isa for today's ride. Right? We're here in Hasabin Zai Stadium, UAE Al Ain, to look on the starting part ng Al Ain UAE tour here in Al Ain, and we will see here different teams for UAE tour. Let's go. Last stage going to Jabilafi. Riders here.
Daddy, good luck.
Hi, Daddy. Hello. TADEJ Pogacar, our Tour de France champion, also our world champion, and now joining our UAE tour. So they're all preparing for the starting line for our final stage of UAE tour. And buti na nakapagpa-picture tayo kasi blinak na siya ng mga guard. So different UCI world teams join this UAE tour, which is held every year here in UAE. So including PHILIPSEN, Decathlon, Easy Post, Ineos, One Team, Movistar, Red Bull, Saudal, even UAE team Visma, Astana, Picnic, and even some of the UCI pro teams, which are Israel Lotto, Team Solution Tech, Tudor Pro Cycling, and VF Group Pardania. So for the front of the race, andito yung mga final classification standings, which are general classification, points, sprints, young rider classification, even sa team classification.
Right, Josh Tarling, please, from Ineos Grenadiers. Josh Tarling, the best young rider, to the Mr. Safir Ahmed, Groove Coach, Chief Executive Director of Al Ain Club, to the front row and welcome. If we can ask Josh Tarling, please, to make her way to the front row of the grid, please, and the best young seconds riders until the final stage.
Let's go,
Thank you to all of you for being by the roadside. I hope you'll give us the final countdown of 10 when we give it 30 seconds. Riders, 30 seconds until showdown day. Countdown, so join in with us. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
كيلومترا نراكم على خط النهاية في قمة جبل حفيظة.
Ride strong! Saan na? Ano? Dalaan sila doon. Dahan tayo na. Pagkabas. Grabe! Saya! Mga bikes, oh! Bikes. Grabe yung mga support car, guys. So, bike check. Ito yung live forecast. Live, oh. Support cars. Grabe, ayan. Live. Canyon. Let's go. Colnago, UAE.
Sino ang start nila eh? Sino kilometer.
Saan?
Doon sa kabila.
Saan natin sila
Yung may
abangan?
bridge dyan.
Saan natin sila abangan?
Ikot pa yata.
Nakikita natin sila doon. UAE! Woo! Let's go to Jabilafit finish line. Going to the finish line of UAE Tour 2025. Stage 7. Last stage for this year. Guys, ito yung aakyatin nila. Stage 7. Jabilafit. Let's go. Wow. Wow. And guys, nakikita nyo ba yung nagbabike dito? Wow, diba? So, maraming pupuntang mga riders na ngayon. Dapat magbabike din kami para sa last na finish line. Yan, may mga nag-aabang na sa finish line sa taas. And kaso nga lang, time check, 1 p.m. 1:30 na, 1:15 p.m. And meron bang 2 hours para makapunta sila dito kasi mahaba pa yung ruta. And last 12 kilometer will be Ahon. Dito tayo sa favorite road ko, Jabilafit. So dito tayo nakapag-ride. Ano na lang. I-wait na natin sila sa finish line. And 34 degrees Celsius ang init ngayon. Mainit na siya hapon na. So, laspagan talaga. Kaya, let's go. Let's go! I'm still using my smart ring, Ultrahuman. Ayan. Let's go!
Ito nga.
That's 500 meters. Yes, for this is for sprinting, guys. Alright. Let's go.
Diminished somewhat by his inability to make it into that front group. Most of the UAE members of the squad did, so they ultimately are fairly satisfied with it. Other riders who've missed out, well, most notably Leonard Van Aert, the reigning champion of this event, on Jebel Hafid 12 months ago. Starting the day 8th overall, 38 seconds back, and Leonard Van Aert to pineapple.
So guys, ang maganda dito, nanonood kami ng live performance ng final stage ng UAE Tour ng free coverage. Let's go, guys.
Jules in the black jersey leader of the intermediate sprints competition. Josh Tarlick is the best jump rider at the moment, just escorted.
We are here in the finish line of last stage UAE Tour. Let's go. Woo! Hi, brother. Hi. Let's go. Oh. Finish line that way. Woo! Diyan na siya! Diyan na, diyan na! Wow, solo! Woo! Solo! Solo breakaway!
The winner of the UAE Tour, the winner of this side, the world champion, all hail, TADEJ POGACAR!
Tapos ang laban, guys! Let's go, let's go, let's go! Let's go, let's go, let's go, 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 go! Woo! Yay! Guys, yung family ni Taji, ayan o, kapatid niya. Yes, nanay niya. Hindi ko lang. Yan, kapatid niya yan, guys. Mga family niya. Go, 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 go! Woo! Woo, 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 woo! Grabing support. Yun yung live coverage nila guys, oh. Helicopter. Sponsor. Hi! Woo! Race result. Hindi nakikita. Live coverage. Grabe, napaka high-tech ng mga gamit and napaka supported talaga siya ng government. And of course, malaki kasi event siya eh. Ano masasabi mo?
Napakagaling ng mga coordinators.
Totoo.
Yung event planner.
Totoo. Woo! Galing. Napakalaking event talaga siya and ang daming budget guys. Kung alam niyo lang. Million. Guys, no sweat. No sweat. Sorry. Sobrang sweat pala. You know? No sweat. Yan guys. Bora, team Bora. Ayan o, team UAE. Wait lang, ayan.
JASPER.
Ayan, picture na lang. Picture na lang. Guys, guys, nakahingi ako ng jersey, tsaka battle bundle. Woo! Basang-basa nga lang ng pawis. Thank you, Inyos! So guys, masayang experience ng ating UAE Tour 2025 last stage. And tayo, maganda. And for me, siya, worth it manood kasi lang naman to, once in a lifetime. So, siguro next year hindi na tayo manonood. Pero yun guys, meron tayong jersey, meron tayong picture ni Pogacar, and yun, nakapanood tayo ng karera ng Ultrahuman. So yun guys, I hope na ma-inspire pa yung iba nating mga siklista na mag-pursue sa kanilang gustong gawin. Kung cycling, pero kung may iba pang priorities, pwede naman. Basta marami namang areas ng cycling na pwede mo siya i-incorporate. Kung pwede mo siya i-full time, dapat talaga passionate ka. Kasi what I know is si Pogacar, pa siya young pa siya, and marami siyang experience when it comes to this. So I hope na we all get our passion together through cycling. So yun guys, and I hope na nag-enjoy kayo sa vlog natin today. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and click the notification bell button for more updates and videos. God bless you!
Onto the stage to complete our podium, the winner of the UAE Tour